Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to avoid highways or motorways on Google Maps. And for this we go to our own emblem right in the top and then go to settings. Then tap on navigation and now you will see the option avoid motorways. Please tap on avoid motorways. And now when we navigate to something, you will see that Google Maps won't send you through motorways. Alright, this is how it works, and if you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And for now, thanks for watching.